Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to view your checked bag charges in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down at the Tools and Services section, look for the Checked Bag Charges button and click on that. And then just click on the Any Flight button at the top of the page. So first provide your departure airport. And then provide the arrival airport. And then you can set preferences like departure date. You can select if you traveled on business or premium economy class, and you can select your membership with the application if you have any. And then there are some advanced options as well, like ticketing date or marketing career. So if you did that, just click on the View Checked Bag Charges, and they will appear on the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.